Hey villagers, see this little piece right here on your outdoor spigot? Has this ever happened to you? See it spraying? Especially down here. Well, I'm going to show you how to fix that. I've had probably 4 or 5 people tell me don't mess with that because you'll break it back here. And it's possible. There's a plastic pipe that comes up, PCV pipe that comes up, it's threaded and it comes out here. This spigot screws onto that. These screws is so you don't twist it off. And this is an add-on the spigot. I'm going to show you how to replace that. I can't speak for everybody, but I can tell you on mine, take that off, this is actually got Loctite or something all the way around it to lock it on. And the reason for that is because your garden hose would screw on here, and then if you go to take that garden hose off, if it's on good and tight, this could unscrew from the faucet. And if you have a house wash person or somebody like that come by and use your water to, you know, spray clean your house or whatever, he could unscrew his garden hose and take this with him, and then you don't have it anymore. That's called a siphon, and it keeps the water from siphoning back or something. I don't understand it myself. I'm not a plumber, but I'm going to show you how to fix that yourself instead of paying a plumber 65 bucks to come to your house, $100 an hour plus parts. Let's get started. First thing, probably commonsensical, is shut your water off. Tools needed for me: torch and pliers. First thing you want to do is you want to heat this outer edge around here, not here, here, just a little bit, not a lot, just enough to liquefy the seal. See, I see water boiling out of the back of it already. And see, it'll turn. Once it starts turning, just keep going with it. You know, try not to stop. I don't know if I can touch it or not. Actually, it's pretty warm. There, see, that comes off. Ouch. And that's it. This is the bad part. And if you can see those holes around there, around those holes, there's valves and stuff inside of here. How all of it works, I don't know. But when they go bad, they're bad. I know it's probably a bad angle, but then put a little bit, something that's will dry in them threads that will keep this from backing off. Now, they give you pipe thread sealer to go here. I don't think you need it, because once this flat edge of the faucet itself goes against that rubber ring down there, I don't see where it's going to leak out anywhere in there. So then you just screw this back on like that and take this and just kind of snug it up a little. Make sure that lock bolt here, that is actually made to break off. You're supposed to tighten that up into the threads. It breaks off, making it a permanent part of the faucet. I'm not doing that because I'm contemplating that the day may come I may have to take it off again. Put this back on and turn it on, and voila, no leak. So you get that little back spray from all of these. See that? Now, I don't understand any of this, why it's that way, but they're that way. I shut it off now, don't need it. And see, when I shut it off, it sprays out here, relieving all the pressure that's in the hose. I guess that's what it's designed to do. If you're handy enough with the tools to do that, you got enough confidence to do it, do it. I'll try to put a picture and a link to the part, this part from Amazon, and I'll put it in with this video to help everybody out. Hope this helps you. Thanks for watching. See you on the other side. Thanks everybody for sticking with me and watching the rest of this video. I'm putting these two videos together to make one video. We're getting ready to go over to Belle Glade Country Club to have our normal members lunch. That would be YouTube members and Patreon members get a special invitation of when, where, and what time we're going to have our next lunch. So if you're a member, you received that invitation. If you're not a member, that's why you didn't receive an invitation. If you want to be a member and go to one of these lunches, for 99 cents, join YouTube membership. I really prefer for you to join Patreon members for $2 a month, and you'll receive that special invitation of when, where, and what time we're going to have one. I didn't get much video at the Patreon lunch because we were having too good of a time talking, asking questions, telling stories. But I did get a little video of the outside deck where we were seated, and the overlook of what the country club golf course looks like over there. I think it's one of the best views of all of the country clubs in the villages so far. Sit back, relax, drink your Coke, have your coffee, whatever it is you have, and enjoy the ride. And if you enjoy this video or this type of video, let me know. If you don't like it, let me know. With that being said, see you on the other side. Okay, we had our Patreon lunch. Everybody had a great time. We're over at Belle Glade. I thought I'd do just a little bit of a shot to kind of show you what Belle Glade's scenic view is here from eating outside here. It's a gorgeous view. Probably one of the best views from the outside seating in this whole area right here. Almost everybody's gone. I probably should have took this picture before they all left, but I had a good time. We talked to a lot of people. We get a lot of conversation going, a lot of questions answered and asked, and things that I didn't even know I got to check into. Yeah, but this is a nice area over here. It's quiet. You got the bar right there.
And the weather was so pretty.
Yeah.
And it's not like hot, like it's okay.
When you didn't tell him he was getting the party.
No, I kept walking and I saw him.
Yeah, I didn't even see anybody. I walked in. Nobody ever asked me. I just kept looking.
Yeah, I kept going around.
I knew I'd recognize you.
I went to here, never saw you, so I went inside, went back out, and I saw his chair. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, we knew they had a party of 250 people coming in, so that's why we did what we did. I wouldn't, but I know that here,
People do.
It doesn't take much for a lot of them to get together and have parties.
Remember, this is probably the biggest thing all day.
Well,
For a lot of them, it's probably the biggest thing they're gonna do all day.
Thanksgiving, they have a lot of parties. Christmas, a lot of
For
parties.
Thanksgiving, I get it. Our first Thanksgiving ever, not cooking at home, was last year here in the village. We went to Cody's. We ordered a Thanksgiving dinner at Cody's. I told my wife, I'm not cooking anymore. $16, I'm eating this shit every year.
Yeah. Hey, where are you going? I think I'm going to take a pee too.
Well, you want me to hold the cameras for you?
You got both your
You wanna
hand
film
cameras?
yourself?
Well, no. I'm going to go and take pictures of the bathroom. I am. Nobody knows it, but I'm going to take pictures in the bathroom.
Not in the ladies' room.
Well, here I am.
Okay.
Oh my God, there's no light. Oh, there we go. But this is what the country club restrooms look like. I'm going to have to edit this because that's monetized music.
You film Judith? So the trip overall, it went okay? No hitches? I mean, I saw a few videos of you. My best friend is my doctor. He's a really good friend. He called me and said, I don't care what brand. People are asking, is Johnson or Johnson or whatever. The first one you can get your hands on, get that shit, Jose.
Well, my thought on
I think a friend telling me an advice, not a doctor selling me shit.
Yeah.
And I got it. He hurt the arm a little bit. Fine. You wait 3 months or whatever it was. I went back to the same place. Remember, it used to be a army guys, like when I did it in a college in Orlando.
Mhm.
So I went back in. When I got the second one, that one put me into the ground. Like,
When I
wow,
got the
was
second
that?
one, I got home and it's 6, or maybe 6, 7, 8.
So I got that on the 19th, but yeah, it was more bad.
See you guys.
See ya. Bye. Bye. Thank you again for lunch. Yeah.
No problem. Well, tell everybody in Alabama I said hi.
I'm not going to Atlanta right now, but I may have to be there. If I go back up to Atlanta, I'll take 2 weeks.